let us discuss unit number 4 of employability skills, which is entrepreneurship mindset. In this unit, we'll be discussing the aspects of motivating and the qualities and characteristics associated with it, what it takes being a leader, its values, personal code of conduct, ownership of an enterprise, listening, learning and observing, addressing difficulties, challenges in an entrepreneurship's lives positively, managing personal time, focus on breaking myths related to entrepreneurship. Next unit is opportunity identification. Under this chapter, we'll be discussing the selection of basic type of business, product, service, trading, unique idea about the business, being environment friendly, reminder about business model framework. Next chapter is being resourceful, identifying ways of being resourceful, inexpensive ways of marketing, networking, importance of networking, which includes interpersonal skills, communication skills, how to connect through net and otherwise, bring in English and IT skills related, also business model revisiting. Next chapter is ease of doing business, single window mechanism for running the business, how to apply for business, awareness of statutory compliances and government or non-government schemes, business model revisiting act. Next is managing resources, human resource, customers and internal employees, other entities in the business cycle, finance, infrastructure, location, equipment, machinery, etc., use of internet, importance of IT skills, business model revisiting. Next chapter is mentorship and role models, importance of mentorship, looking at mentors in their own ecosystem, connecting with them through net or otherwise importances. Next chapter is learning cycle, business model revisiting. It's a ever-evolving model. Needs to revisit that. Revisiting mindsets frequently. What it takes being a lifelong learner by being aware of skills and attitudes displayed by other successful entrepreneurs. Last but not the least is sustainable career. The chapters is career awareness, which includes learning and exploring advances in the industry. Trainings will be able to connect to all the subsequent topics with real life experience, understanding the importance of mastering career planning and various topics, gaining exposure to a modern workplace industry. Next chapter is career planning, learning and applying growth mindset to career planning, taking examples about personal skills and interests, adapting to ever-changing business environment, learning about continuous upskilling, reskilling, learning requirements in the industry. Trainees should be aware that their skill journey will continue for life and will not end with the life final year. Mapping career pathways within your own sector. Last chapter confirms career readiness, practicing writing, technical evaluations, aptitude tests, communicating, that is positive attitude, adaptability, self-led learners during the interviews, final placement, preparation and reviewing final resume. identifying and applying for apprenticeships on NAPS, that is NAPS, registering on government job portals, national and state levels, learning and applying for DST, internship opportunities, applying for jobs, practicing reading keywords in job descriptions, understanding salaries and benefits, requesting and receiving feedback to improve performances, developing cultural intelligence, respecting gender equality at workplace, cultivating personal and professional attitude, applying green practices in life and career. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share.